finished the story from the nature's plenty and we have read how far is the river. Now we are going to have, like previous year we had, missing the words. Do you remember? So I'll be reading the text and sometimes I may miss something. And you will have to read the part which I am missing. Okay? So here I begin. Listen keenly. How far is the river? Between the boy and the river stood a. The boy was young and the river was, but the mountain was the thickly forested river. But the boy knew it was there. He had never seen the river, but from the villages he had heard of it, of the fish in its waters. He wished to touch the water and he stood in front of his house on the opposite the mountain and gazed across the, dreaming of the. He was about to steady boy, hair, black eyes. He had fine features and a clear, but his hands and feet were rough and, yes, he was barefooted, not because he couldn't, but because he liked the feel of warm stones and it was 11 o'clock and he knew his parents till evening. There was a loaf of bread he could take and on the way he might find. Here was, he had waited for. His mother and father had gone to visit and had left him on his own. If he come home before dark, they return, they wouldn't know. He went into the house and wrapped the loaf in a. Then he closed all the path to the river dropped steeply, then rose and went round the big. It was frequently used by the villagers. Yes, 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 but there were no villages beyond the or near the river. Now, dear students, you have done it well. You were reading wherever I was missing or the words I was missing, and now we are coming to another side. Now, I will not be reading any of the conversations. It's your turn to read. Are you ready? Okay, come on. The boy passed a woodcutter and asked him how far it was to the river. The woodcutter was a short but powerful man with a creased and withered face and muscles that stood out in hard, ugly lumps. He said, which was fairly accurate. Said the boy. Yes, I know that you have read it well. And now, one thing you can do. Do you remember that the previous year we have learned who said the dialogue and who was the speaker there, what was the expression and the picture? Do you remember? That way, you just write down all the dialogues, write the speaker, write the expression and draw the picture too, so that the story will be in depth in you and you will learn the words too. So dear ones, as we have finished, kindly learn all the words, all the new words and especially all the words, so that we can have the language game after this, and after that we can also have a dictation. of the words that we have learned. I know that you will be happy to receive this challenge. Okay, thank you.